Buenos dias, Facebook friends. I'm here today asking for your support. I created a painting in 1969 titled Viva La Raza. This painting was painted as a protest against the San Diego Gas and Electric's derogatory advertisement in the Life magazine, putting down our people, our culture, our gente, our raza. And this painting is to be restored, and I would like to show it at the Capitol in Sacramento. And so I'm appealing to you for support, and it's at the Conservatory Center right now in Balboa Park. So please help me with this issue. I would appreciate it if you would go to the section on funding and make your donation. Anyone donating will receive a copy of one of my original watercolor prints of the birth of corn. I want to thank everybody for their support and for their encouragement. Y que viva la raza y que viva la causa.